Hey there everybody, this just came in the mail. You can see they got some shrink wrap on it. And man, they don't try to conceal what you ordered at all, do they? Just wrap some shrink wrap on it. Okay, this is it outside of its saran wrap there. You can see that it's from Schrade, and it is the SCHF28. So let's see what it is. Oh, okay. I don't know what this is, maybe limited lifetime warranty. All crinkled up. That's what that is. Blah blah blah. I'm sure you've all seen them before. Let's get this out of the plastic. Okay. Well, the first thing I noticed is it has like this nice Kydex kind of plastic sheath there. It's MOLLE compatible. I don't see a drain hole on it, so apparently it doesn't have a drain hole. But it's got a Velcro strap up here, which seems like this is actually pretty thick, so pretty high quality Velcro there. Let's see, let's pull this out. Alright. Okay, first looks, you're seeing it the same time that I'm seeing it. Okay, that edge looks okay to look at. That edge looks okay. It says Schrade there. Mine actually has that hole right here in the finger guard. Some people say theirs doesn't have it, but I was wondering if mine would have it or not, and it does. It says SCH28. This has like a titanium coating on it. It's got a false blade swedge up at the top. And it doesn't feel very sharp. I think you could throw a spark with it, but it's not really, it's not like a Mora Garber or anything like that. Now this in here in the choil, that's fairly sharp. It's not sharp like it would cut you, but I'm pretty sure I could throw a spark in there, because it's just got like that 90-degree edge, kind of drippy. So I'm sure that would throw a spark. Yeah, I'm not a super big fan of finger choils, but it's alright. Seems okay. Kind of like that the blade's kind of tipped slightly away from the choil there. That way it won't like cut into your finger, because it's kind of pushed away. Some of them just come like straight off. Nice rubber grip. Yeah, it almost feels like a tire, like a Goodyear tire. Yes, like real thick rubber, but real tough. Then it's got this tread on it. That's pretty nice. It's got 3 Allen screw attachments there. They got the Allen key screw holes on each side. It's got some really aggressive like thumb ramp there. Wow, that's sharper than in the choil. You could probably throw a spark off of this. It's like a saw blade. Super sharp. Okay, wow, that's pretty, got some weight to it, but doesn't feel like horribly heavy. Slightly forward heavy, but not too much. See, it looks really straight. Get the camera on there, is it straight? Yeah, it's like nice and straight. See what the tip looks like. Tip looks absolutely perfect. Huh. This seems like more knife than what I was actually expecting. It's almost 1/4 of an inch thick there. Just under. Okay, this thing's measuring up at just a hair over 14 inches in length. That includes the handle. The handle is about 6 inches up top. And the blade, well, the part's sticking out there's 8 inches, but the actual blade to tip is about 7 inches, I would say. Although it does follow a recurve there, which would add some length to it, so it's about 8-inch blade. And it is at its widest point, it's probably about 2.5 inches wide. And let's see here, this will be tough to do with my left hand, if I can even do it. But you can see it's not quite 1/4 of an inch. Alright. Okay, so we'll do a paper cut test here. Let me see. The metal that this is made out of is 8CR13 MOV. And this has a TPE handle. It's full tang, goes clear through the handle. You can put a lanyard on it. You could even connect it up here if you wanted to. And we'll do a paper cut test. This is straight out of the box. I haven't done anything to it. And we'll see if it's sharp at all. Okay, got a sheet of printer paper. Got the new knife. Let's see what it can do. Ooh, that's sharp. Wow, that's sharp. The whole entire distance, that's sharp. That's what I like to see. I hate getting a knife that comes dull. Look at that. Very sharp. Man. I cannot complain. I can't wait to get this outside and give it a try. Okay, let's get it back in the sheath and see how it fits and see if there's any rattle. It's hard plastic. It's got like about a 2-inch belt loop on it there. You would think there would have been a drainage hole, but whatever. It is coated in titanium. It's like it almost is like a gray, like you ever, blued steel on a gun? It's kind of like bluing, but done in gray, if you know what I mean. It's definitely not a paint. So let's check this out. Okay, it does make a little click noise when you push it down in. And then it's got the Velcro, which holds it pretty firm. Very minimal rattle, almost nothing at all. So that's good. It won't be a noisy knife when you are walking through the woods. That's good. I don't know if it'll remain tight always, but right now it's nice and tight. The only thing is when you draw the knife out or when you put the knife back, the blade wants to come in contact with this Velcro. And this thing is so sharp, I could see it definitely cutting it, so you have to hold that aside and be careful. Here's a nice little piece of kit. Got my Council Tool Woodcraft pack axe, 19-inch. Have my Baco Laplander and the Schrade SCH28, which is also known as the Little Ricky. So how's that for some gear on your day hike? Well, I don't have a whole lot more to say about this because I just got it. This was just an unboxing and a first look, but it feels extremely nice. Like, this grip is just perfect. The finger spacing for me, I couldn't ask for more. It's literally perfect. This is a bit rough, but I kind of like it. That's fine. I'm pretty sure this could strike a fire steel in the choil. The blade looks excellent. The titanium coating looks excellent. And yeah, from what I'm seeing so far, I can't complain. And the sheath is definitely, it's a decent Kydex sheath. So, maybe, I don't know how soon I'll be able to make it out into the woods, but when I do, I'll try to test this bad boy out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.